Okay, we're going to do a quick lesson on the dynavox for how to set up a schedule for Elsie in her classroom. And this is for Elsie, our daughter who has Angleman syndrome, who's in a kindergarten classroom. So in her on her device she has a series of different locations that she can get. So her grid is actually what's called a 4x4 grid. And so for her, what we're going to do is we have a school page that's set up with actually all of her activities that she may be doing throughout the day. So you notice she has various things. So this one would be about Elsie and how to spell her name. We actually have another page that if you go back to the school page, that's shapes and colors. And there could be a specific topic, book choices, weather, calendar, friend. But today we're going to talk about a new feature that we just came across on the dynavox called schedule. So for Elsie, we're going to look at her schedules based upon 3 different types of schedules, which are called a 12-button schedule, a 20-button schedule, or a 40-button schedule. And for school, we're going to use a 20-button schedule. And in this page you can make her schedule, and you can select up to 8 buttons below to add to the schedule. Each button will be added in the order selected. So each day Elsie has some activities that are going to be focused on in school. So first thing in the morning typically is going to be a morning meeting. So what we would do is we would select that. You notice it grays itself out, and then from there it may be that she actually is going to do some morning coloring in the kindergarten classroom. So we have morning meeting and then coloring. Following the morning meeting and coloring, she may actually do a little reading session. So those 3 are now grayed out. Following reading, she may go to story time. And from story time, they may get to have a bathroom break. And from a bathroom break, they may come back in for some individual work time where she'll work with someone in the classroom. Then after that, they may have a special area. And so today, we'll say her special area is computer time, followed by a lunch break. We're now up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so therefore we then go to her today's schedule, and you'll see the activities that are up there. So we'll say these are Wednesday activities. Today is actually Wednesday. And as she does those, she can see what she's doing. So if she wants to know what her schedule is, so it's like a visual scheduler, she can actually say, hit the morning meeting.
I am done with morning meeting.
And she will get a voice response that she's done with morning meeting. And then she can actually click that and it'll go away, I've noticed in this. But then from morning meeting, we would go to the coloring.
I am done with coloring.
And she has 6 activities that will still be up there. The other 2 are now grayed out. And it says completed activities. And then they would go to story time.
I am done with story time.
Then she'll go to reading.
I am done with reading.
And so on and so forth. She can actually then remove those.
Meeting, coloring, story time.
Or she could start again if she needs to see her schedule again. And then this whole activity can be renewed by hitting close and resetting, and she's able to set her schedule again for the next day. And that's how to make a schedule using the dynavox.